Hey, welcome back to another video with your girl Moya. This is Betty's in the Bag, and if you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, you may want to go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and be a part of the Baddie gang. Now, I'm not home alone. My boyfriend's here, my daughter is here, so you might hear noises from time to time. My boyfriend making sounds, my daughter making sounds, whatever noise it is, just understand that there are other people in this house. So in today's video, I'm just gonna go over my weekly budget for week number 3, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff bills. So before we do that though, of course, we're going to jump into our positive quote for today. And the positive quote for today is, "It's all going to work out." So it doesn't even matter what you're going through. Just remember that anything that you're going through in life, you can get through it. Baby, you are strong, okay? Whatever comes to you, if God didn't want you to go through something, he wouldn't send it your way. And just look at things as a lesson for you to learn from. When certain stuff happens to you, just take it as a lesson and move right along. So let's jump into what happened this week. Before I even go over the overview, I have to tell y'all something that took place that happens sometimes. And y'all know I like to be transparent with y'all and let y'all know, exactly what's up. So this week and last week, we had a few cancellations. So a few of my clients canceled. So I have 4 cancellations. So whatever we were expecting to come in this month, which we were expecting to cover all the bills, as well as a little extra money from makeup and lashes, that is no more. We had, I think this was $95. No, this is $80, $70, $65, and $380. And all 4 of these customers had cancellations this month. So this month we will no longer have, it was 80, 70, 65, and 380. So we are $595 down for the month. So this money would have covered all our bills and everything, and had a little left over to do other things, which this is no more. So another thing that happened was we gained 2 new customers. So we're expecting a $95 and a $120 to come in. Not too bad. $595, 95 plus 120. So we're getting $215 instead of $595. So right now in bills binder, I currently have $400 in rent. I'm going to stuff $100 in rent today, which is coming from $100 I made Saturday. And then we're gonna have to put the $215 on the rent, and then we're going to have to fill in the rent from other places. I don't like that this happened, but I like the fact that I'm getting to show you guys that things do happen in life sometimes where we have to move things around. So it's either I'm going to have to take the remaining, whatever I'm short in my bills, might have to come out of my side hustle, which is the website, or it might have to come out of, the beginning of the month appointments that I have coming up, which is going to be dipping into November's funds. So you guys will see exactly what happens, but this happens sometimes, and I'm glad that I get to show you guys, it's normal, it's everyday life. We do go through these things. We are not perfect. Next, let us go ahead and talk about week 3 budget. From week 3, we made the $100 from makeup and lashes, and we have received our YouTube check of $280. So we have a total of $380 coming in from week 3. I didn't include money earned on the website because I have not yet transferred that money to my bank account or anything. So we're only working with $380 for this week. What we're going to do with that $380, we're going to put $100 into the rent. So into bills, we're going to put $100. Into savings, we're going to put $180, and then we're going to do the rest of the $100 that's remaining. We're going to apply that to sinking funds. So that's what's going on this week. Life happens, things happen, we get delays. you just kind of have to expect anything to happen at any time and be prepared for it. So we could have just jumped into our emergency fund if we wanted to, or if we had to, but being that we had extra income coming in from other places, there's no need for us to touch emergency. So I want to say this: if you guys have anything that you are creative with, or anything that you could do, I really recommend that you guys like start a business out of it, because it's really good sometimes to have a different, what they call it, like passive income, somewhere else that money is coming in from. It could help you out from time to time, or you know, like keep extra cash in your pocket. But let's move right along. We're just going to go ahead and get our $100 into bills. So let me grab my bills binder. So inside our bills binder, we are going to head to our rent envelope. We're going to head to rent, and we're going to add the $100 that we have. When we had the 100, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. So we're going to see what we're going to do to complete our bills for this month, being that we had that little hiccup in the way. So I also wanted to let you guys know that I'm now offering the matte vellum envelopes on the website. So if you guys are interested, you can place your orders. I'm going to be having them in 2 sizes. I will have a 6 and a 7. So if you, and they're 100% custom, so you get to choose the categories that you like and whatever. So that's going to be available. Well, it is available on the website now. So the link is in the description. Go ahead and check that out if you are interested. But basically, I like the fact that I get to show you guys how, you know, I have to compromise sometimes, because you know how life is. Sometimes things just hit us that we weren't expecting. And that's basically what happened here. Something hit me out of the blue that I wasn't expecting. So I have to, you know, compromise and, you know, try to find it other places to get things done. So that do happen sometimes. And you just have to expect in life. You just gotta be prepared and be ready for the unexpected, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you touch the subscribe button, share the video, and you have a blessed, wonderful week.